just lost soul, son. Oh, and the low end, fucking with the old ones. You gon' get fucked over. Ferraris and Rovers, these old lucky souls, and I'm with that Cobra. Now that boy slumped over, they do it all for soul, son. You wasn't making no noise. Y'all know what my bro was. Your clip full of rollers. Die, y'all some rollers. Die, y'all some rollers. We GP and gold plus. Yeah, lost our dog.
And today we're here on Regent St in London. We're for 2016 Gumball3000 rally. There's a load of cars here. We've got Bugattis, McLarens, we've got loads of stuff. So I'm gonna go in now. I'm gonna show you what exactly is here. It's gonna be pretty good. So let's get in. Yes, to start we have this Lancia Integrale. But it's really fast. I have no idea what it is, but it's really cool. Then we have a Porsche 918 Spider. It's just amazing to see all these cars lined up on one street. It's like, it's crazy. And we have a McLaren P1 in a really nice orange. We have this, which is the Pagani Huayra, I believe. If I'm right, this is Pagani Huayra. It actually looks really nice in this colour. Really nice. Because we actually have this Spiker, I believe it's just Spike on the back. I have no idea what it is. It's a really nice satin green though. I have no idea what this is. It looks absolutely amazing. Right next to Pagani, and we've got another P1. P1 looks amazing, all in white and orange. As we always have the La Ferrari, obviously the classic red. It was absolutely amazing. By Oakley Design, TeamWolfpack, absolutely beautiful stuff. Now the Porsche 918 Spider, absolutely amazing. Then we have the Bugatti Vitesse. The Vitesse, I believe this is actually one of one. The Vitesse is awesome anyway, but to see it, possibly, I think it's one of one, I'm not exactly sure, but it looks absolutely amazing. These are all by Oakley Design as well. They just look amazing, all lined up in one place. And to see a Vitesse out on the street like this, Vitesse is rare to see, and then you get a one of one. It's absolutely amazing. So we'll head to the front and I'll show you the front again. Unfortunately, the crowds are so big, I can't actually get to the front of any of the cars. The Vitesse and the La Ferrari as a whole are just such a huge crowd. We're actually going to go down here. There's a huge Gumball3000 sign, so we'll see what's going on down here. I believe this might be an actual display section. I'm not too sure. I can see a car being unloaded, but we'll have a look. It's absolutely crazy, guys. Obviously, I've got the GoPro here. I've got a strap to a selfie stick because I don't have a GoPro stick yet. I'm actually going to be trying to do some cinematics with the GoPro, so you might have seen this at the start, and I probably added in some GoPro stuff because I actually couldn't get to the front, so I managed to put the GoPro on the stick and then try and get it over. So that's pretty good, guys. But this is crazy what we got over here. You guys can see behind me. It's absolutely ridiculous. So we got loads of concept cars. Well, I have no idea what these cars are. Well, guys, you can answer this for yourself, but I have no idea what this is. These are like loads of concept cars. Absolutely amazing. We'll try and get to the front and then I'll show you the cockpit because they look absolutely crazy. And we got this thing. I don't know what these are, but they're absolutely mental. Got a lot of stuff from Shell Gas here. Oh, I believe this is actually a simulator. It's absolutely amazing. Absolutely ridiculous. Further up, we actually have a load of cars that are not actually fenced off, so we can actually get right up close to them. It's a crazy amount of cars, so we're actually going to try and get real close. So you can actually touch these cars, which is just ridiculous. Obviously the guy was in, but we actually have a lot of Ferraris, Audis, a lot of Bentleys and stuff. We actually have the Knight Rider car from California here. Obviously it's got the UK, but full gloss black with the pure black windows. Try and get the interior for you. Absolutely crazy. Look at the California plate, just looks so nice in the blue and yellow. It's just good, amazing. So guys, next to Knight Rider car, we've actually got, I believe this is a Lotus. No idea at all. It looks absolutely amazing, orange and black. I'll show you the interior. Absolutely ridiculous. Fully carbon fiber. mental. And as we have actually part of the rally with Aston Martin Vanquish, I believe. I'm pretty sure this is a Vanquish. It's absolutely amazing. I don't even know what color this is. Is it silver? Oh, it's Aston Martin DBS. That's it. And then right next to it we have a Ferrari 488. I'd like to say. I'm pretty sure it's a 488. I'll show you the interior. It's amazing gunmetal grey. It's absolutely beautiful. The red leather seats. It's crazy. And we actually have a Bugatti EB110 Super Sport, I believe. It's like a 30-year-old car. Looks absolutely ridiculous. Bugatti bad. Show the engine because you can actually see it. Absolutely crazy. Red leather interior, so basic, but yet so beautiful. It's absolutely amazing. EB110 Super Sport, then we got another Ferrari right next to it.
Gumball3000, give it up for PAC Moto!
Rev it!
Hello, sir. Who are you?
Good. Very fantastic ride.
You've made excellent timing. Is this your first Gumball?
Actually, second.
Second Gumball. So talk us through your car, talk us through your team.
We are from Finland, team 160, and partner Jukka.
From Finland, everybody, team 160. Make some noise.
Give a cheer.
Oh damn.
It's an Aston Martin DB9.
Looking good.
They've gone for a soft top look.
Looking good.
Give a big round of applause, guys. Take some photos. Let's very quickly speak to the guy. Who we got here?
From Norway.
From Norway. And how do you guys know each other? You're friends?
We are friends long time ago.
And how friends from a long time ago? And how's the journey been?
It's fantastic.
Even with the top off the car as well.
We are Vikings, you know. We can take it.
Okay. And how amazing all these crowds in Regent St to come and see you guys. You got a message for them?
It's fantastic to be in London and so much nice people, kids and young people and little grown-up people. Fantastic.
Awesome. Well, listen, great to have you here. Give them a big round of applause. Team 23, ladies and gentlemen.
Fine looking specimen. Please give a big Gumball London welcome to Team 31. That's what we want to hear, the roar of that engine. Who are you?
Team 31,
Team 31, where are you from?
Bulgaria.
Bulgaria. Okay, is this your first Gumball?
Yeah, sure.
So it's all about the spirit of the Gumball Award. Do you think you're up there with a chance of winning?
No, we're here for the party though.
He just said no, we're here for the party. Let's hear it for the team 31 in the Lamborghini Aventador.
My God, he can't wait for the party. Look at him go.
In a Ferrari F12, making a whole load of noise as it pulls into London. Let's make some noise for team number 19. Registration D Nada.
Rev it!
No problem with that engine. That engine roar, team 67. In the Porsche Targa. There it is. It's meaty.
That is ridiculous. That is not Camaro. No way. What's the Porsche?
Okay, Okay, so the Chevrolet Camaro SS has been overtaken by a Ferrari.
That bomb. Don't bother. I've got it. Oh, yes. Woo!
It's team 43, ladies and gentlemen. Making some noise. Thanks for that.
Where are the revving wheels go?
Back in again.
In the Lamborghini Aventador, crossing the finish line here at the Gumball3000 London.
Gentlemen, look at these two
And
characters.
this for a sexy car, the Ferrari. Sounding pretty sexy too. It's team 18, ladies and gents.
Team number 58.
In the Dutch Challenger Hellcats, we welcome to London, Gumball Rally Team 58. And surely Afrojack is into the charts. Whoa! Team number 4 crossing you in the rally. It's example, everybody.
Give a big cheer. I got BMW for you next.
The Dutch Hellcat moves into London, into the finish line here. Porsche Panamera team number 86 crossing the finish line here in London at the Gumball Rally.
Give a big cheer, guys. Come on, make them feel welcome.
It is YouTuber Shmee, ladies and gentlemen. Crossing the finish line here in London.
It's a tough life, isn't it, eh? 11 countries over 7 days, 120 supercars. The Hoff on the bonnet of a car. What more could you want?
Team 117 in the Lamborghini Hurricane Spider. It's a Mansory, of course we knew that. A Lamborghini Mansory, Team 117. Let's give them a big Gumball welcome to London, Team 117. Gumball Rally London leg. As we welcome to the finish line here in Regent Street, Team 56 now. Cameras are ready if you are lined up around Regent Street for our Lamborghini Aventador. Let's welcome Team 56. Fist bump. UK flag on the side, John Benjamin the side. Hear that engine roar.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the legend that is the Hoff. He even goes downtown like this. Make some noise, Revving Street, it's the Hoff.
What an entrance, sir! We need you! The Hoff, we need you! Right here, right here! Please come here, sir! Here he is, everybody! It's the moment we've all been waiting for. It's the Hoff.
What's going on, everybody? We are live on Facebook to the world. Say hello, world! Hello, world! We are here on the Gumball3000. It is a fantastic route. We started in Dublin. We're on our way to Bucharest, and I'm telling you, it's unbelievable. It brings the world together. Look at all you guys. How are you, buddy? All right, thank you.
So you are a regular gumballer, sir. You're an old hand at this. Wow, now we know what it's all about for the Hoff.
He's unbelievable, isn't he? Doesn't ever end for the Hoff.
So talk us through this time here in the she's getting in the car. She's getting in the car. She's jumping in the Hoff's car. This is what it's all about, isn't it, Bush?
Isn't he a live wire champion? Look at him go. He's going to walk the rest of it. To hell with the car. Ladies and gentlemen, give him a cheer. It's the Hoff, ladies and gentlemen. Gumball Rally's very own cheerleader.
Team number 7 is the Aston Martin Vanquish. Let's give a big welcome to London.
Hey guys, how you doing? Let's have a quick chat with Max and Eve. Hey Max, how you doing?
Very good. What an amazing reception this is. Incredible.
What about this amazing crowd you got here, Max?
It's just ridiculous. We've seen amazing crowds wherever we've been so far, but London is my hometown. You're amazing. Woo! I'm going to pass you over to my wife here.
London Town, what's up? Whoa!
One last question, Max. How do you contain the Hoff? We've just had him riding on the bonnet of a car. How do you contain a man like that?
You can't, he's off the record.
He's off the record, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for Max and Eve.
It's about to cross the finish line here in London. Make some noise for Team 74 in the Batmobile. Team Gulag, welcome to London. Team Gulag, Team 74.
Listen to the legend. And spare a thought for anyone on the motorway today who's seen that.
Yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe because I'm definitely going to get into vlogging again. It's actually really fun. It's more fun than I thought it would be. So I hope you enjoyed the Gumball 2016 rally. I'm hoping to actually come next year and do it again. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Please be sure to subscribe for more content. It's been Rob and Max. Peace.